In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a split design with text in Canva. This simple effect creates a clean gap through an image where your text can sit, and it looks great on social posts, thumbnails, and posters. Let's walk through it together. Step by step. First, open your design in Canva. You can start with any size you like, whether it's a social square or a presentation slide. Once your canvas is open, choose an image from your uploads or from Canva's built. In Library, pick something with a clear focal point so the split looks intentional and balanced. Drag the image onto the canvas, then center it in your design. You'll see pink alignment guides appear as you move it. Use those to snap the photo to the middle. Centering now gives you a clean baseline for the split you are about to make. Next, duplicate the image. On Windows, press Ctrl+D. If you are on a Mac, Command+D works too. You should now have two identical copies. Place the duplicate directly over the original so they overlap perfectly. If it helps, zoom in a bit and make sure those edges line up. When they're stacked, both images should look like a single photo. Now, confirm that both images are exactly centered. Click the bottom image and slide it until the center guide appears. Repeat with the top image. This extra moment of alignment prevents awkward gaps or mismatched edges later. With everything centered, create the split. Click one image and move it slightly to the left. Then click the other and move it slightly to the right. Leave a narrow gap between them, just enough space to read text clearly without breaking the visual flow of the picture. Small nudges with your arrow keys can help keep the movement precise and even. Add your text right into that gap. Choose a short phrase or a bold word so it reads well at a glance. Drag the text box into the space and adjust its size until it fits comfortably without touching the image edges. If you need a little more or less space, gently shift the left or right image so the gap frames your text neatly. Strong, high-contrast colors work best here. So consider white or black text depending on the photo. And that's it. Thanks for watching.